Guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to change size of the mouse cursor in Camtasia. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. Here is my Camtasia recording and my mouse cursor is showing me a very large. That is our problem and I want to fix this problem. I want a normal mouse cursor on my video. First, go to your video. Here is our video track. Click on that. And after that, click on these properties. Click on these properties and here we find some options: video, audio and cursor, mouse cursor. Click on this mouse cursor and here we find our cursor, and in here we find scale. It is a very large. Now make sure it is very small. Look at my cursor. Now I make sure my cursor is 100% and we can see now my mouse cursor is normal or 100% or normal in our video. So guys, this is the simplest way to change the size of the mouse cursor in Camtasia. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.